How to analyze any stock like Benjamin Graham 6-step action plan with real-life example. World most successful investors, including Warren Buffett, follow a 90 years old formula that still beats the market today. In this video, I will break down security analysis not in theory but in action, 6-step action plan with real-life example you can apply it right now. Welcome back to my channel, where we turn complex investing ideas into simple with real-life example for retail investors. Benjamin Graham security analysis is the foundation of value investing. It teaches one simple truth: investment is most intelligent when it is most business-like. The book shows how to find the real value of a company, not what the market says today, but what it is truly worth. And when price is far below that value, that's when the smart investors buys. The three pillars of security analysis. The entire book stand on three powerful pillars. Number 1, safety. Protect capital first. Number 2, value. Focus on intrinsic worth, not hype. Number 3, evidence. Use data, not emotions. Those principles never change, whether it's 1934 or 2025. Step 1, quantitative analysis, the numbers game. Study the numbers. Graham said, figures do not lie, so we must learn which numbers matter. You can follow this checklist. Number 1, earning history. 5 to 10 years continuously grow. Number 2, EPS. More than 5 years continuously grow. Number 3, debt to equity ratio below 1. Number 4, PE ratio. Number 5, dividend stable. Suppose a company's 5 years average EPS is $5 and the stock price is $50. That means P ratio of 10, which is considered reasonable for many US companies. But if debt is 4x equity, the risk is huge. Security analysis say low debt, stable earnings, real safety. For example, imagine two companies, one Coca-Cola with steady profit for 5+ years, debt manageable. Number 2, quick cash fintech with loss, not stable profit and heavy borrowing. Graham would pick Coca-Cola, boring but safe, because numbers tell truth. Step 2, qualitative analysis, understanding the business. Now comes qualitative analysis, understanding the story behind the numbers. What does the company do? Who manage it? Is its product still relevant 10 years from now? Follow this checklist. Number 1, business model, simple to understand. Number 2, management integrity, no fraud or hype. Number 3, competitive edge, unique product or service. Number 4, future demand, growing sector. Real life example, simple model, consistent service, strong leadership. Step 3, calculate intrinsic value with logic. Once you know the numbers and story, you estimate intrinsic value. Graham used conservative formulas, not prediction, to decide what a stock is truly worth. For example, number 1, average EPS 5 years $10. Number 2, 5 years average P 15. That means intrinsic value $10 multiplied 15 equal to $150. If current market price $100, that means margin of safety 33%. So Graham would say only buy when there at least a 20% margin of safety. That's your insurance against mistakes. Step 4, margin of safety, the golden rule. The margin of safety is the most powerful idea in finance. It means even if you are wrong, you don't lose much. Don't chase price, wait patiently for value. If company is profitable, face temporary problem, not permanent problem, and price below intrinsic value, that means opportunity. For example, if fair value is $100, buy only below $70, never at $110. Just because news is good, remember safety first. Step 5, fixed income versus equity analysis. Graham also analyzed bonds, and fixed income instrument. The logic still applies today. Treat every investment as if you are lending money. Ask, can this company pay interest, survive bad years, and still grow? Bond, focus on interest coverage stability. For stocks, focus on growth, profit, debt, margin of safety. Before buying a corporate bond, check if earning cover interest at least 5 times. Before buying a stock, ensure company can pay interest and still make profit. Step 6. Market behavior. The noise filter. Security analysis warn against market mood swings. Graham said the market is there to serve you, not instruct you. That means don't panic sell in corrections or rush buy in bull runs. Use market as your tool, not your teacher. Real life example. Applying security analysis. Suppose you are Analysis ABC Limited. EPS $25, 5 years average. P of industry 18. Intrinsic value 25 multiply 18, $450. If market price today $360, that means margin of safety 20%. Debt to equity 0.4. Stable profits, regular dividend. This is the best and safe investment according to security analysis. But also remember, you must need to find great companies. That means companies' product or services still demand in future, or growing industry or growing sector. That's how security analysis help you make logic-based, emotions-free decisions. Retail investors blueprint. If you apply those steps to even 5 companies you understand, you will automatically filter out risky ones. You will stop guessing and start investing logically. Checklist summary. Number 1, study numbers, profits, EPS, debt, P. Number 2, understand business, simple and future demand. Number 3, calculate intrinsic value. Number 4, buy only with margin of safety. Number 5, diversify sensibly. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid loss-making companies. Buying only on tips or high. Ignoring debt. Overpaying because of FOMO. No margin of safety. Mixing speculation with investment. No diversify. The real power of security analysis. The real magic of security analysis is not formulas. It's mindset. It's teach patience, discipline, and logic. The same traits that made Buffett one of the richest men in the world. Buffett said, investing is simple but not easy. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more practical investing videos with real life examples for retail investor. Comment below which company will you analyze tonight with Graham rules. So invest smart, stay logical. See you soon with another proven strategy. Thank you.